Johnny's got something new.
Aldi muck, 1995.
From Aldi.
Yeah, 1995 from Aldi.
It looks nice and lush.
So,
Was it a recent purchase?
yeah, they have sales like they bring these out all the time.
Aldi.
Aldi. It's got accessories
I don't know what
inside.
that is.
So some are for sand, some are for just.
So they go in this corner here.
They go in the corner there. This is for sand. Then you just screw those in. And if it's for dirt, just do that, and then find the connection.
You're going to lose them for sure.
Oh yeah. These like pegs.
Yeah.
That's the sand. This is just for dirt. These are dirt.
Yeah.
$20.
$20. I would have got a few.
And it's from Aldi.
Yeah, I love Aldi. Special buys.
Aldi? Aldi.
Their bacon is cheap.
Now you say Audi.
Aldi.
You say Audi instead of Aldi.
Aldi.
I go Aldi for bacon.
For cars, A4.
Bacon.
Yeah, A3.
Scotch fillet steaks.
Yeah.
So Scotch fillet steaks at Woolworths are $43 a kilo. And I think Aldi's about $28 a kilo.
Yeah.
And they're better steaks.
Well, we went to Aldi
Better steaks.
and got those little chicken bits that you put in the air fryer. We had that the other night.
Yeah. Enchiladas, which at Woolworths now are $9 an enchilada. I think Aldi sells them for maybe $6. But the thing is, you go to BW, they've never got any enchiladas.
Yeah.
Aldi, go to Woolworths.
Johnny and his big W.
Aldi's good, so we go to Aldi once a week.
It's good.